Volkswagen absolutely nailed the Mark 8 Golf R platform, but we wanted to find out just how far the car could go on a stock turbo. So we started with a completely stock 2024 Mark 8 Golf R EA888 Gen 4 6-speed manual factory turbocharger. On the baseline dyno pull, the car made 358 wheel horsepower and 285 wheel torque. Then we installed the full ARM Motorsports bolt-on setup. Front mount intercooler, 4-inch downpipe, full exhaust system, intake, and turbo inlet. After the hardware install, we paired everything with an EQT full E85 calibration, still on the factory turbo. The result? 457 wheel horsepower and 378 wheel torque. That's a gain of 99 wheel horsepower and 93 wheel torque, all without upgrading the turbocharger. But the peak numbers only tell part of the story. The real difference is in the power band. This setup added nearly 80 wheel torque across almost the entire RPM range, completely transforming how the car accelerates and responds.